Steaming. Going for a workout, guys. I wanted to do such a smooth transition. Oh, it's actually quite deep. Well, for me. Good morning, guys. Sorry, it's just my costumes. All the way from Phuket at the Blue Pine Villa and Resort. Guys, look at our view this morning. Like, this is so nice. But yeah, like I mentioned in the previous vlog, we're in Thailand. I got up this morning, had a pretty neat start to the day. Had some devotional out here, and then I went for a nice workout. Sorry, my costumes are so hectic. Had a morning workout at the gym. It was so nice, and then came back, had a dip. Alex eventually got up and joined me for a dip. And yeah, now it's just finished getting ready. We haven't eaten today and it's like 12:30, so we're gonna start exploring. But it was like full on pouring this morning, so it's nice to see the sun's out. But let the Thailand vlogs begin. I'm excited. It's quite warm. It's like 29 degrees right now. So yeah, with that being said, if you're new here, like and subscribe. If you're not, thank you so much for being here as always. Show you guys my OOTD today, my exploring outfit. I think we're gonna go shopping, but it's like, this is like a set. I'm gonna wear the shirt over it, but it's so wrinkly. I'm just wearing this. I'm gonna put it on my flat. So that's the plan. I think, yeah, we're gonna go out and about while the weather's nice, because it was like pouring. It's like coming in waves also. Also, I feel like my face is so swelled up. Still recovering from my allergies and my sunburn. But I need to get a hat. That's one of the things we need to do while we're out. Full fit check. Doing it. What you got? Look at these shoes, bro. Look at these shoes. Food first and then stuff later. Looking for food. of the day.
Water.
It's cold. Yay! I win. Lunch is served for the pool. Forget your line. Guys, that menu was taking so long. Hi guys, happy Monday. It is currently, it's at 5. Had a really chill day. Yesterday was a struggle, but we're gonna go get some massages now. We need it. And it's pouring out with rain. Outside, this side. Do you wanna take the water? Let's see your fit, Lexi. Up the check. What are you wearing? Wow.
Wearing Russian Navy.
Yeah.
New brand out there.
Uh-huh.
Let's call it the Navy.
What?
Black
Nice.
and white, kind of like Sephora, you know?
Yeah, we love it.
Gotta stay relevant to
Agreed.
today's-
Agreed. This is my fit, my pajama top. But it's pouring. Let's see if we can try get massaged. Keith. Oh my gosh! What is this? It literally just started picking up as we left. So unfair.
Okay, I'm feeling it.
Oh, I got the big drop. Okay, we're acting like children. We never experienced. Look at this. Madness. But before that. Decided to come get some food. The massage places I booked. We just walked across the street to get some food. Would you like to give us some wisdom this fine rainy day?
On a day like these,
Uh-huh.
you gotta stay hydrated.
Uh-huh.
You gotta eat your greens. And you gotta listen to your elders.
Okay.
If
Who's
you do
your
that,
elder?
I think you're already halfway there.
Agreed. Smashed it. Oh my goodness. Really? It's not even rain anymore. Lexi from Texas. Wow, there's a lot of people. Okay. You were like, where did you come from? Hi, you're so little. Where are you going? Hold on a second. We just got back from the massage and it was amazing. So great. Just what the doctor ordered. But yeah, we're gonna chill tonight. Gonna catch up with the Bachelorette. So we got some wine. Alex is just taking a shower quickly. Because we missed 2 weeks of the Bachelorette. So I'm gonna catch up today. I'm gonna have a nice grab. And that's pretty much it for the night. And then tomorrow I think we're gonna try have a busier day and go on an adventure. We actually still need to book that, but that's the plan. Just
I truly cannot believe his hometowns.
Joey, Dotton, Xavier.
Okay. Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday, August 15th. It is currently 12 something and we're just about starting to get ready for the day. We originally planned to go on like an excursion today, but the lady at the front desk was like, oh no, you shouldn't because of the weather. There's like a big storm that was expected to happen. but still nothing had happened, so we missed the timing this morning. So she was like, we should go tomorrow. So we're just gonna go do our own little adventures. We're gonna go see the big Buddha this morning, well, this afternoon, and then yeah, do a whole bunch of other stuff just to get out, because yesterday we pretty much just stayed in the hotel the whole day and like ordered room service. And yeah, and I want to say I'm so sorry, I've been so terrible about vlogging, just only because I don't know, because I haven't done it in so long and I just feel so like out of, I don't know, but I'm gonna try pick it up today, do my best. And I thought might as well just get ready together and update you guys on like how everything's been going. So for starters, so the last time I vlogged properly, we went to like Patong area and we went shopping. I'll show you guys a haul later. I'm actually wearing one of the items showing so I got these linen pants, and it's got like a matching shirt, and I got like a nice white dress, and then I think I got my flip-flop, these cheap Haryana flip-flops, like knockoffs I guess. And then we weren't planning to actually even go out, we just wanted to go like to the main area, the bungalow area, and I wanted to show Alex like the vibe for later in the week. But then we got there and the vibes were vibing, and long story short, I lost my phone, or somebody took my phone, so I don't have a phone for the rest of the week. So that's been fun, but like I said yesterday, we planned to go to the thing, and we just kind of, I was just like so annoyed that I lost my phone on my first full day of like the trip. But in a way it's fine. I always think it's like a blessing in disguise, because then it just means I'm just going to be present for the rest of the trip, you know? So yeah, but with that we move. This rain's also been like kind of like throwing us off, because then it's like we'll plan to do something and then it'll stop pouring and we're like, okay, I guess not. But yesterday we ended up getting the massages. It was so good. Well, mine was good. Alex was like, he's still in pain from yesterday. He did like the sports one, and apparently he's like struggling with this today. But yeah, so that's the update so far. We are on day 3. Yeah, day 3 today. Yeah, that's been the plan. Has been so nice to just chill, relax. It's just getting so long, but I'm gonna finish doing this and then I'll show you guys my full fit for the day. Cool. Outfit check of the day. This is what I got, the full set. I'm gonna button this down, and I'm wearing my Oya glasses. Alex thinks it's the best option. Let's see if he's ready. Okay, outfit check, come. Show the people what you got. It's actually really cute. It looks really good.
Hey. We straight up look like we escaped from some sort of institution.
We do, hey.
Yeah, wearing these uniforms.
I like it.
Words of wisdom. Sometimes when the boat rocks and sways, you gotta hold on tight. And if you do that, you can get to wherever you're going.
Okay, so hold on tight. Okay. Hold on tight, guys. When the boat rocks, the boat's moving high. Hold on tight. Thank you for joining our Words of Wisdom Next Sea edition.
Food.
Quick snack. Oh, some crisp, yeah. We just got here. There he is. Should we get some original Lay's? Since we literally have not eaten all day and it's almost 2. Shocking. That was rude. I just got attacked by a monkey because I had cribs and he literally jumped on top of me and Alex saved me. It was so bad. He literally climbed, almost got undressed. So pro tip, don't bring any food when you come here because a monkey is just attacking children and people.
Sometimes all you need is a spark. Maybe just a bit
I don't trust them anymore. Y'all did me dirty. Don't you start. Now he just took our water. What the heck? It's this rain. Oh my god. Wow. Just before us. Ooh. What is this?
That's the egg.
Is it? Thank you. Show us.
Bless the eggs.
Okay.
Just the sauce. Ooh, yeah.
Thank you. Yes. This is Alex's. How much? 5th pad thai in how many days?
3 days.
3 days. He's had one every day since we've been here, and yesterday at 2. So at the end of this, we're gonna just keep rating which one is the best. But he's literally had one every single day. He's gonna turn into a pad thai by the end of this. So we're just eating our way through Thailand, one pad thai at a time. Yes.
All right, digging in.
Digging in, taste testing.
Yeah.
Let's go. The 5th one of the week. That's a big chunk. Yeah.
The smell is already, you know, like a solid.
Uh-huh.
Solid 7.5.
Uh-huh. There it is.
Honestly, like they're all the same. You can't tell the difference.
baby, ooh, think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. Keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby.
Hi guys, we're back. I'm in my PJs. Just been chilling. It's literally been pouring so hard right now. But we're gonna watch a movie for the rest of the night because we've got an early morning tomorrow. But we stopped at the store and we'll do a quick snack haul. We got the Kinder Joy Bueno, Kit Kat, Basic, Jello Boom. I just wanted to try these, they looked really good. Oh, 2 in 1. These are like equivalent of like Lay's. That looks like shrimp. And I don't know what that is. And then spicy lobster. Did we get this? Did you get it? Can I try it? And got some wine. So, chill night. Watch a movie. Vibe out. Enjoy some snacks. Catch you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be more fun. Good morning guys, we're on our way out but it's pouring with rain. Shocking. But we need to be there in like 4 minutes. Look at this. It was fine when we got up and now suddenly it's pouring. So, wish us luck.
There goes that.
There goes that indeed. Hey guys, we just got to the rafting place. It took us how long?
3 hours?
3 hours from our hotel. We got picked up first and then we had to drive around picking everybody else. At least I got a nap in. I don't know about you guys.
Not really.
Well, busy day ahead. But
Keep on riding.
there is no rain. That's the nice part about this. So I'm gonna put my camera away and we'll catch up with you guys after rafting because he said shouldn't take anything. It's better. Hey guys, we just got back from rafting. It was so much fun. We couldn't really take the camera because the water obviously, and we didn't bring any like waterproof stuff. So now we're gonna go to the elephants, like elephant bathing, which is really fun. It was like a 45 minutes, but I am like wet. Oh wow, it was really fun. He comes right here. Ew! Aww, babies!
I want to do it. You can do it.
Oh.
Comme ça.
Then the climbing. Words of wisdom, Lexi.
Hold on tight.
That's a good one.
Just hold on tight.
Like that. That's good. Whee. Wow, hi.
He has
Whoa,
risen.
that was fully flat. Alright guys, just finished getting ready. This is the outfit for the night. We got back like an hour ago. Ellie? Yes? I keep feeling Ellie. Took a shower and now we're about to go out. Get some food. Let's see the outfit. The fit.
Gotta represent, you know, Busan,
Yeah.
that West Coast living.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, it's more like South Coast living.
Yeah.
But very
Looking
close.
fresh. In a way, yeah. This outfit for the night. And it's pouring. It just started pouring, literally. So lame.